moved into the van full time. Yay! So the first thing that we do in the morning is we take our water bottles, and if we have any leftover water in them, we tip it into the tank. And I'll show you in a second why we do that. It's big brain moves. Okay, so my plan is the fact that it's so early in the morning and I'm so exhausted and tired in the mornings that my feeling of tiredness is going to overwhelm my feeling of anxiety taking you guys into the gym with me. Big brain moves. This is the real reason that we're in the gym so early. Usually we've been moving around so much that there's just like no point in setting up like a gym membership and shit like that. But like now, because we're here for like a significant amount of time, we've got gym memberships, which means we can be in the van and be clean, and it's just such an obscure feeling because we're so used to just being so fucking disgustingly dirty and like, yeah, washing in rivers and stuff. But now we're washing in real showers. Oh my god,
it's amazing.
We're actually clean in the van. I'll never be over that feeling. Bye, office boy.
Bye bye. See you
Love
later.
You. Have a good day.
You too.
You just jammed the seatbelt in the door. Right, now that Lewis is dropped off at work, it is just me and the boys for the rest of the day. So at this point I usually figure out where I want to go and park for the day. I think I'm going to go to the same place I went yesterday because it's a really big, beautiful country park and they've got access to drinking water, so I can top up some of our water there. So let's go there. Oh, we've got two. Alrighty then. Alright, let's get some breakfast in these boys. Breakfast! This is Harry Haggis. Before I show you what I'm about to show you, I want to just fully express this dog is not in pain. This dog is fine. We do this every morning. He's just a diva. Oh, good play. Good play. Every morning forever. Hates taking his jammies off. I mean, I don't blame him. I don't like taking my jammies off either. Are you okay now? Are you okay now? Because it's quite like hectic to get Lewis to work on time in the mornings, it tends to mean that there's just like a bit of an aftermath that needs to then be dealt with once he's at work. Transformation Tuesdays, am I right? About 3 months before Christmas, I started waking up every single morning and like feeling this weight of pressure of what to have for breakfast. I know that sounds like first world problems, am I right? So stupid. And I was up in Scotland visiting my dad for Christmas. He's a personal trainer and he does like a lot of stuff with nutrition, so I just asked him like, what should I be eating for breakfast? And he was like, Kirsty, nothing. Stop eating breakfast. And I was like, what the fuck are you doing for breakfast? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And then he's like, nah, it's not. fasting is very good for you. And like, the essence of the word breakfast is break fast, like to break your fast. So like, I still have break fast. I just now have it at midday. Okay, so autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells in order to regenerate newer, healthier cells. The longer that you can keep yourself in a fasted state, the more autophagy happens. So I don't eat breakfast anymore. It's amazing. It's amazing how much extra time it gives you. The sun has gone behind some clouds now and it's like trying so hard to come out. And it's such a bummer because when it comes out it's so lovely and warm in here, and when it's away it's fucking freezing because it's like 1 degree outside. So I'm really cold is basically all I have to say about that. This is reusable deodorant stick. I've done a review, I'll link that if you're interested. I have the, oh wait, which one am I on at the moment? I'm just finishing off the jasmine and mandarin. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It's been really nice actually. It's been like my Christmas scent and it just smells like festivities. This is finished, but there's still a tiny little bit left. So what I'll do is just rub my finger on it because like it melts with heat. Get some on my finger and then just nice. I'm gonna brush my teeth with a bamboo toothbrush as always, and this is this is a G Organics tooth soap. Honestly, this is for the hardcore eco-friendly folk out there because it tastes like, it's disgusting, but it's incredibly eco-friendly. So I swear, spitting out that toothpaste is not so much spitting out as it is like a controlled vomit. You're welcome, planet. I just wanted to capture this reaction, so watch what happens when I pick up my jumper. There we go. Well, you know that it's been a successful walk when one dog is unrecognisably muddy and the other is covered in legitimate fecal matter. So, good job team. Excellent work today. Nailed it. Right, up. Come here, come here, come here, and have a shake. That's a nice fucking sky, my guy. Ooh, that rhymes. These jeans were fresh on this morning because I was like, oh, well, I'm speaking to you guys, so I want to look like a little bit presentable. That was a complete fucking waste of time. Are we going to just pretend like this wonderful light we're experiencing right now is definitely still the sun rising and not the sun setting? Therefore, this is totally still a morning routine video. I won't tell if you don't. When I was drinking my coffee, I must have sat in front of the heater for like potentially 2 hours. I couldn't even tell you one thing that I did. At this point, I really just set up my desk, get my laptop on the go, and then just do whatever work it is that I need to be doing. Applying for jobs because I am unemployed. Oh god. I enjoy my morning routine. I think this is a sick lifestyle. I'm not going to get too comfortable because I do need to find a job. But this is a sick lifestyle for the time being. Okay, love you, bye.